going to learn expansion in solid. For that, one of the activity they given, Sham, he is one of the boy. He tried to open the lid of the jar, but he can't able to open it. Then he asked to his uncle. Okay, yeah, his uncle given one of the idea. We should pour some hot water on the lid part. Even he also did the same thing. Then after pouring the hot water, he tried to open. So the lid is very easily open. The same experience even in your life also you can felt, I think that. Okay, va? So next what they given, do you have such experience? They asked it. How do you open a cap of the tightly closed cap of the pen, which could not be opened by you normally? Most substances expand when heated and they contract when cooler. So the change in length or area or volume due to contraction or expansion is directly related to temperature change. See children, so closely tight cap, so that is the pen cap, you can't open it, but even that cap also placed sometimes on the candle flame means you can open it very easily. How it was possible children? It is very simple, simple thing concept. What is that means? Solids or solid objects contract when cooler. Okay, expand, that means increasing its size, increasing its length, increasing its volume when heated. So that is only concept. So when you are heating, so only when you are heating that pen cap or when you are pouring the hot water on the lid of the bottle, it can open it very easily. Due to that, what will be happening? It can expand. See children, the expansion of a substance on heating is called the thermal expansion of the substance. What is the definition of thermal expansion children? Very simple. In the expansion of substance, any object, solid object, it may be the water bottle, it may be that pen cap or any object. So it will be expand on heating. That is only called it as the thermal expansion of the substance. The next topic we are going to learn about linear and cubical expansion. What is the linear? Means straight. Okay, length. Cubical means volume. Okay, how it was the object is undergoes expansion in the both manner you are going to learn. So a solid has a definite shape. So when a solid is heated, it expands in all directions, that is length, area and volume. So all increase on heating. Clear children? So solid, yeah, always you are known, you studied about the matter, solid have definite shape, liquid does not have definite shape. Like that and all you learned now. So it has definite shape. So when you are heating, what it can undergo changes. It definitely it undergoes the expansion. That means in all the direction, along with the lengthwise or volume or area, everything it will be expand. So the expansion in the length is called linear expansion. See children, this can ask in the 2 more questions. Expansion in length, okay, size, that is called it as what? A linear expansion. And the expansion in volume is called it as what? A cubical. See children, only one word. Length means linear, volume is what? A cubical expansion. So why is the iron rim of a bullock cart wheel heated before it is fitted onto the wheel? Why children? The rip, why it will be heated? Because when it will be heated, what will be happening? It expand. That means it's increasing the size. So only. So why is a small gap left between two length of a railway lines? In between, why? During the summer time, it will be has the more temperature. Due to the more temperature, it expands. When you are expanding, both also want to be occupy the gap, so only you are left at the gap. Next thing, we can perform an interesting experiment to find out an answer to these questions. All we need to do is to heat a cycle spoke. Okay, so here one of the activity, cycle spoke, if you are heating means what will be happening? To know that you want to do the activity they given, if it can possible you try it, otherwise you leave it. So remaining continuation of this lesson we can learn into the next class. Thank you children.